Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make lobster salad. First, let's prepare our star ingredient. You'll want to cook your live lobster until it's a vibrant red, which usually takes about 8 to 12 minutes for a 1½ pound lobster. Once cooked, let it cool completely. Then, carefully crack the shells and extract all that delicious meat from the tail, claws, and knuckles. Finally, chop the meat into nice, bite-sized pieces, roughly 1 inch in size. Now, let's create the creamy, tangy dressing that brings our salad together. In a medium bowl, whisk together about 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise with the juice of half a fresh lemon. For a delightful crunch and subtle flavor, stir in 1 tablespoon of finely chopped celery and 1 teaspoon of fresh chives. Finish by seasoning with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. This simple dressing truly enhances the lobster's natural sweetness. With our lobster prepared and our dressing ready, it's time to bring it all together. Carefully add the chopped lobster meat to the bowl with the dressing. Using a spatula, gently fold the ingredients until all the lobster pieces are evenly coated. Remember, the key is to be gentle. We want to preserve that tender texture. Once mixed, cover the bowl and chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious homemade lobster salad is now ready to be enjoyed. There are many wonderful ways to serve it. A classic choice is on lightly toasted brioche buns, creating a luxurious sandwich. For a lighter, refreshing option, try serving it in crisp lettuce cups. A simple garnish of fresh parsley or a lemon wedge adds a touch of elegance. This versatile dish is perfect for a special lunch or a sophisticated appetizer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.